Well, I guess today we're going to unbox this thing here. Hey guys, Mark Tablon here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So recently I made a purchase on Amazon, which is the GODOX SL60, which I got it for a pretty good deal. Originally this item right here cost around 177 to 200 Canadian dollar, but I only got it for 127 each. In case you're wondering, I actually bought two of these, and the other one is I'm currently using it as my main light. I've been using this construction light for the past few years now, and for the price it does the job, which is lighting up my room. But now I have these two awesome lights and I can't wait to do a review on these lights. Okay, enough talking, let's just open this up. See what we got here. We get the manual. What is this? A warranty card. And QC pass, whatever that is. So we got the power cord. And you got some sort of diffuser that you put in front of your light, I guess. What it looks like to me. Okay, and we got the, what else we got? So don't forget the remote. We got the remote right here. Awesome remote. What else? We got the reflector, and we got the light right here. Nice. It's pretty awesome. It comes with a shield. Ooh. This looks great, guys. Oh, and just so you know, this one doesn't come with a light stand, so you might have to buy it separately somewhere. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel, and you can also turn on that notification bell so the next time I upload a video you will be notified right away. Thank you so much again, guys, and I'll see you guys to my next video. Peace.